this is the feed contractor. I agree with Oscar because we need to have complete information. I will put it here. Then EPC contractor review. EPC contractor to review all shutdown requirement for individual tank, considering the size of tank and entry requirement for initialization for construction activity for. Okay, that's okay. I think we will not go for this one. Then
sir, in the identify shutdown requirement in the shutdown requirement and in EPC scope of work, you can mention there shutdown requirement because feed contractor will mention in the EPC scope of work.
Yeah. So this will go. This will go to
that
EPC.
is okay. That is okay. In feed contractor section, can you mention somewhere in the EPC scope of work required details to be mentioned in EPC scope of work?
Yeah. The same. Same shall be captured.
Yes.
In the EPC
scope of work.
Okay.
Okay.
But I mean, feed contractor has to give some information.
Correct. Yeah, we'll give. That is why I mentioned in EPC scope of work, we will give this information.
Because what Oscar's concern and
it's valid concern.
Valid
concern.
Okay, guys. So that is okay. Other than that, I'm not saying. And for automation point of view, there is no major concern. For dead leg removal or reduction, do you need shutdown or you don't need shutdown?
Yes, shutdown is required everywhere.
Dead leg MOD.
Excuse me, where are the dead legs?